Oftentimes, when working with tables, it's necessary to combine two columns into one. For example, on this table, the first row contains a heading, My Expenses. Since we don't need two columns in this row, let's go ahead and merge them. To do so, remove the second column in the first row. So here's our first row, the open and close TR tag. Inside we have two columns. I'm going to remove the second column, and next we need to add the col_span attribute to the first column and set the value to 2. The col_span attribute defines the number of columns a cell should span. So I'll save the file and refresh. And as you can see, we've now merged the two columns in the first row.